Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have Lawrence Spencer Smith, Looking Up, that's the song. And yeah, it's not a chord song. We're gonna play this picking pattern, and as always, Lawrence Spencer Smith, she delivers a great song here, Looking Up. Let's go into this song together. As you can see here, we have the capo set here on the first fret, and we're gonna go into the chords we need for the song, and it's actually only 4 chords. I'm mentioning chords, but actually we're gonna look into picking patterns only. Okay, so let's go into the A minor pattern here, and what you're gonna do here is simply to play this. Combine 2 notes, okay? So you're gonna play the open A string as the bass, and then first fret B as the answering note. So 1 in A minor means this, okay? Open A and first B. When it comes to G, you're gonna play 3rd fret E string as the bass, and open B as the answering note. So that will be 1 in the G part. Then we go into the E minor, and that will be just open strings. Open E in the bass, and then open G. And then finally we have the D, and here we have this. Okay, so that will be 1 in this D area. So we're gonna play open D as the bass note, and then 2nd G. That's the first half, and the second half will be open D and open B. So all that is D1. So okay. And there we have all the different variations to handle here in this song. So the verse play is to play A minor 2, that means that, and then G2, and then E minor 2, and then D3, so that means that is 1, so D3 goes. And that ends 1 round, so to speak. So A minor 2, G2, E minor 2, and D3. All that is 1 round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that, okay? I'm gonna take down the tempo to play 1 full round for you so understand what's going on here. And then play 4 rounds of what I'm gonna show you right now. Let's go. And then start all over again for the next 3 rounds. I'm gonna give you one in standard tempo as well, and it goes like this. Actually 2 rounds there, goes very quickly. So that is how you're gonna play and handle the verse play. 4 rounds of that. Then we're gonna come into the chorus play. It starts about 40 seconds in, and this is to play the verse play to start with for 2 rounds. Okay, so still the same verse play for 2 rounds. Then in the 3rd round you're gonna play A minor 2 and G6. So that means you start almost in the same way. You're gonna play A minor 2. Then you stay on the G, but for 6 times. So and that's it for round 3 here in this chorus play. And then the 4th and final round is to finish off with another verse play. So that means A minor 2, G2, E minor 2, and D3. So that all is 1 chorus. Just to summarize that, you play the verse play for round number 1, 2, and 4, but the 3rd round you play A minor 2 and G6. And yeah, there you have the chorus. And then after that you're gonna jump back into the 2nd verse and play that exactly in the same way for 4 full rounds. And then you'll repeat the same with this second chorus, no changes there. So yeah, there we have the second chorus, and after that comes a bridge part. And what you're going to play here is to play that A minor 2 and G6, and then finish off with one round of the verse play. Okay? And that's it. Then you have finally this outro part, and you're gonna play 4 full rounds of that verse play, but only play the first bass notes of every chord. So imagine you play the full picking pattern here, but only play the first bass note. So that means A, G, E, D. And the pauses there will be as if you would play the picking pattern. So again, A, G, E, D. 4 rounds of that, my friends, and that is how you handle Lauren Spencer Smith's Looking Up. Okay, guys, so there you have it. A nice song to play. If you don't want to work too much with ups and downs and just learn and practice your picking play, this is a perfect song because it's very simple. Only 2 notes to have in check, and only 4 combinations. So we love that. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if it was helpful, leave me a like on this one and be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.